Hey everyone, thanks for joining me here today. About 3 months ago, when I decided to start this YouTube channel, I did it to help people like you who are struggling with social anxiety and want to overcome it. And the main reason I decided to start it was because I struggled with it myself for 3 years. And it significantly took away my ability to interact with others and to engage with people in this world. But in creating this YouTube channel, I realized that I made a pretty big mistake. I was focusing too much on what you needed to do to recover rather than focusing on things that you guys need to hear. I've been talking to you guys about how to get a job and how to reduce your anxiety. But I think I've been missing a very core element of the recovery process that I think you all should hear at this time. And it's that no matter the pain that you're going through, no matter how difficult it is for you to get along through your day, you can overcome social anxiety. And I believe that you can, and I believe that you will. Because I've been there before. There's so many other people in this country who have overcome it themselves. And I just wanted to let you know that if you keep fighting on, if you keep pushing forward, that eventually the life that you want to live will come true one day. And I fully believe that because I've been there too, like I said. So just keep pushing forward, keep making the changes and the things that you guys want to do to make your life better. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. And in the future, I'll be making more videos about how I ended up overcoming social anxiety myself, and the history of this YouTube channel, and my story along the way. So feel free to either subscribe or to follow me along the way. And I'll see you guys next time.